Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Bhogal. I am a trained statistician and open source developer and a software community manager. I started the RSE Asia community in 2021 and did a landscape survey for the same in 2025 as part of my SSI fellowship. So the community does exist. However, the people in the community have job titles that are anything but an RSE, even though they use the same skills that an RSE would do. This made me realize that we need to still put in more efforts towards building the RSE Asia community on a ground level. Therefore, as an extension to the work done as part of my SSI fellowship and partly supported by the I started a community conversation series called as Research Software and NRENs in Asia. NRENs are the National Research and Education Networks which are connected via the APAN, that is the Asia Pacific Advanced Network. So, speaking of metrics, we had in total a total number of 64 registrations from 17 countries so far. These people have been from various countries from Asia, including Bangladesh, India, Malaysia, Singapore, and more. Beyond Asia, we have also had registrations from the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and more. So this does answer the question that I asked initially, which is, can NRENs bridge the Asian and global research software communities? And the answer is yes. And what's more, we have had about 50% turn up for each episode. So those of you who work on community management, would you agree that this is a sign of a successful event? I think yeah. We had people joining from various backgrounds, including specialized support, which means finance, science communication officers, library personals, and more. We also had people from IT and engineering, leadership and management, academic and training, research and science, as well as students and interns. If you'd like to check more on that, for each meetup, we also have a summary blog post available on the RSE Asia blogs page. And these blogs also include links to YouTube recordings as well as a shared resource sheet on Zenodo, which was co-created by the community. Before concluding, I'd like to share two of the quotes that our guest speakers shared with the audience and emphasized highly. The first one is by Liana, who is the general manager of Asia Pacific Advanced Network. She quoted that for anyone working in an RSC like role, don't just build for your organization, build for the ecosystem. On the other hand, Dr. Veera Chai, who was guest in the second episode and also an environmental researcher, open science and open data practitioner, he said that we all are in the same in different boats, but we are in the same storm, which is why we need to work together, and that's why open science is the way to go. If you'd like to know more, check out our LinkedIn page by scanning the QR code given in the slide on the bottom left or by taking a look at the website in the bottom of the slide. Thank you very much.